Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Wrexham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID. Buzz Cargo Pro. This electrical vehicle features a 79 kWh battery producing up to 286 PS. The vehicle also features a smooth automatic transmission. Finished here in the lovely deep black pearlescent paint colour, this example features daytime running lights as well as a set of front parking sensors. The vehicle sits on a set of 18-inch steel wheels with full wheel trim cover set, and towards the rear we'll find the rear-loading cargo doors. Further helping you negotiate those tight car parks is a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the doors and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, there's a large amount of storage space here, complete with lashing points dotted throughout the load area. Access into the load area can be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding door option. A black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, and behind the sliding doors there are steps on either side allowing easy access into and out of the vehicle. Up in the cab itself we'll find a singular seat for the driver with a twin-seater passenger bench, and in the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with touch controls, as well as a small digital cockpit display. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID. Buzz Cargo Pro. Thank you for watching and goodbye.